Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Why taking photos, videos without permission gets reality weird. There's a big difference between being a fan and acting like a documentary camera with no warning. If somebody has no personal connection with you, no introduction, no conversation, but suddenly starts recording like they're filming a wildlife special, yeah, people are going to feel uncomfortable. This video is all about privacy, suspicious behavior people should avoid. 1. The secret agent photographer. They hide behind a plant, taking blurry photos like Mission Impossible but make it awkward. 2. The random zoom in expert. Why are you zooming in from across the parking lot like a nature photographer? People are just buying snacks and not staring in spy movie. 3. I'm just a fan explanation. Being a fan is fine, but respectful fans usually say hello politely first, not appearing silently like a mysterious side quest character. 4. The fake phone call recorder, pretending to text while secretly recording. Meanwhile, the phone camera is brighter than on. 5. The no introduction stranger. No handshake, no greeting, no eye contact, but somehow already filming like they're making a reality show. 6. The public place confusion. Yes, public places exist, but basically respect still matters internationally. Just people appreciate kindness, boundaries, and simple courtesy. 7. The background character excuse. Relax, you're just in the back. Meanwhile, the camera is focused directly on one person for 5 straight minutes. 8. The overdramatic rumor squad. Anonymous people whispering, I think they're popular. No, maybe they're just trying to buy grocery peacefully. 9. The creepy drive by a recorder and slowly passing by with camera pointed out the window like a National Geographic Human Walking Edition. Then the security camera energy. Some people stare so intensely while recording. Even mannequins would feel uncomfortable. 11. The internet detective. Create entire theories about strangers with zero actual information. Congrats, you invented fan fiction accidentally. 12. The everybody is watching meet. Most people are honest, too busy thinking about food, work, or sleep. Not even random moment is a secret operation. 13. The invincible boundary problem. Friendly people understand personal space. Suspicious behavior usually starts. They respect disappears. 14. The instant denial. Who? Me recording? Meanwhile, the phone camera is pointed directly like a laser beam. 15. The respectful solution. Want to take a photo with someone? Simple. As politely respect the answer. Be normal. That's the humanity upgraded.